and click on the bell.
Mami Yabua, share what record a mo conference call. You won't in a yas name, funny face, ni baby mama. What will go about because of funny face, name my name, watch her, and I see be a war trouble. What? Sister, also we Yamini post, Reverend was a D&D, and you counsel away, you know, and a Bible on sanitary. You see, I know a piece of person can worry some much or be careful because I dear why you so obi a kana wa we so much obi a wa record this any pakro. Very wrong. Why nya de? We record warm. Very bad. And you be that sister. Huh? One more say what we go abontin say na funny face no say na course wo di matem ni nya no say na etie. Ya nya ne den sister. Me ma come ma wa we nsam nkyere wo da. Me ma come me ma wa we nsam na tuntum ni kodaki mon penokre mon pata modi ade ne won ade na mama ye boaye ne ye bad e very wrong me ka was enti no wono no we nyame ni pent ontimi what are you talking about so we nyame ni pa se won nyame ni pa ade na wo ye no mon tintum se na ade na wo ye no e bad very wrong. Why would you record something without the person knowing? What catch you no? What catch you? Your funny say, funny face. Ne yire no. Ni baby mama ne say. That's say ya yeti. What record no? Na dan kwama. What about beto abonten? What catch you na? Mama ya boa. Fa beto abonten na yentie. Eso catch you ne say. Ya record wo kan wonum ka say. Na wo kire bi. Asem bi si a beto abonten. What recording the party about Twabontain? Funny face, I don't know what did you attempt at Tiafaso. And you know, cancer moon. Oh, from whom Yaminipa. Ya can't be a Casadena, then the Yaminipa the Macatro. Because Bible be appearing one of my churches was so would you. We are Sanya, we are Mimina Naya. Men for Bible to my pumping, Bamina, we da. The Acofiam, or whatever Twabontain, me, I will never do that. Men for Bible to my pumping, me fan to my pumping, so that. Because a munia mano near Kwasu womuno, and Yasan Ketua. Many are ready. Many are ready so that check, yeah, because Masua Dane. What I say, Masua Dane, team, Mammy, your boy, what ya ye, may be that. What from home, marriage counselor, marriage, white certificate, marriage counselor. What cousin Mumpony, sister? Akasaka says, see, will be our room, will be relationship, will be not for family. 110 years. Akaska says it will be our room, will be relationship mu. Empnatri mu. Na wa fra 110 year masse. Nam for famu. Krompo na 110 year masse. Neni pa ya ba be fra, mama ya boa. Asem say na say neni pa kodi nya na we record ni pa no. Eh, mama ya boa. De abeta about TV dia, ya na ye regional so. Na ye kira. Ya no na me regional so de aka che wo say, wo be bia wo be fra mama ya boa de na wa resem wa koto nanim. Bia no, mama ya boa oba record o. And they ain't independent. Nana ya chame bana me kato se twani pa yo anopa twani pa yi anumre avia anajo ebiniye when they was when nyame ni po eso hye kwanya wo de funny face eye na fa so sister me se pie ba bonten ne be church bucha Ghana for say get ya aware e say wo record no wo ya aware say mo record no da ba beto abonten no ya aware bare church bucha Ghana for
me fa girl no because me need funny face. And listen, I didn't just take her in. My friend, that one na Jonah na my friend funny face. The woman so on him no kura ni nyina. So me person make us. That one na Jonah, my friend na wa family sending a voice message. So funny. Why dey bia be di me hanti bo mode ya bra. Because ono kura dey my friend na ya. Ono friend na sew. Because na one me ba ko. Na one no edit one of them young women na omo family to say a man. Omo family to say my man. It's one of friend myself. So funny face knows me very well. And you check. It's your friend myself. So I even took the girl in. And I'm sure. On what it was, so I chilling on one side from say, my jama, my money, my men, or one or more. And I'm saying, half in a way, but I may have no more to bra. And son, over. Sabre not take 3 days. Don't say what you don't know. I am not stupid. I will never. And a girl in the first place, no worry anymore. But I never who beside girl. Me na me crown and me pa girl me tell say. No son it chinko what baby. Said the money na money me de bia me ka say me nya oku. I won worry no but why about be mo now. To one now, let's ask my ba. Let's wa ba be. Nya me na me ba be say our rent. Me na me catch the girl no so. Me na me catch the girl no say. Ma me say uncle. What's your panicho? Mr. Fawadiako. Na sabre na enye no. Na afeni ya babies no they were like I think say 1.5 months or so. Tin kwa na eteke. Ti girl no kwa no insist say a bo like adiasa because the guy got here around 12 midnight. To see a bo into ntimi mfa kwala no. Mpese wode nkwala na be fa bo no so ntimi. Man ba cho ma me na na de achia. Na mako. Na msi you. Into what da ho. What da ha bi. Ade chia no ba me ko madwuma no enna funny face friend sama me masoma se enko fan me yire na me see you na girl no so man ba jo na na asoma se me fan na me see you eti me bone am ye na no dey and that was the last I heard of it. The next time we meet here say girl no kra wo ni girl no ni groom na and no friend me no se mami ba jo me ko and I'm say aden. And all kind of story, baby. But of course, I'm not here to narrate the story on the mekan. It's the only thing I did. I said, my friend, Nana Asena. I didn't see. And no status or casa baby. I'm seeing your shit. Yeah, girl, no dear. Wow, baby mama. And of course, wherever you grant interviews, be okay. Go for say she's your baby mama. She's not your wife. Why na okay? And he says, me pa child. Said the baby will be until come me I'm not and na me ko be story. I am not interested. Go for say mama wo baby me I'm a counselor and I'm not interested in destroying somebody's home. It's your baby no ya ni masem obu ha na wa ba be mama nka bibi nkire wo. Mama papa ko gina obi page na ko chron nsam a dwen asam o kan sam kra obetimi aka broso. Yes, you will be pardoned for it. Because everybody knows say there's a casa ten one in pem. But so what should I control at them didie? What idea some money? No question, Mr. Mobi and friend. Well, if you don't know anything, don't even say it. Because no question me woman. I have never done anything. Me bonny me ya and say, girl no friend me say, ni kwambono or how girl no me din komo bebre wo phone so na me hu no da. But not me din komo wo phone so. But na me hu no da. So the very first day now oba me nchen because of friend oba me nchen na ni da oba me fie ha. Da no bedroom na da no na so na me friend na ya. I'm wondering say when me the ABC because last year August girl no cry so ja no kwa kwa sache. It me hu the aba and recently ya kakra bia afi de me na afi de ye twa me under party said the woman say kame nipa bibiri akaje me se me kasa nya no me kura me nyama dwe se me kasa ba ne woman say asem bi ho ba wa nkire mu ana because nipa bibiri bi hu say nipa mu ade me ko obi a page nko didi na tem da o it me nye bi so da me ko obi page nko didi na tem da crofo ba me page da bia e be didi matem but se wonni ma se munni mu a me didi matem and na don't feel say e bia meje adwuma na me ana meje adwuma o UTV ya mpamo me Father Dixon wo ho Father Dixon oni girl ni di nkomo se si a musan aya me nkomi go to Father Dixon oni girl no e di nkomo nne busan onu kra na aka kire girl no se ma girl no e me cash because me kra na me catch girl say o meka asem si no obi ehun se me nya hwe e ye Father Dixon and I stop a girl no from coming to even say the truth. Busan no se me boa I have an audio ewa a girl no so no konya nkobeka and so father say man nkasa and so she doesn't also want to go contrary to their father can and ma girl no me vindicate me because me girl no say on kokra me man ne call ya na ya na de ne yire call months back oh and ne Esa se me free multimedia nti a me ye me adwuma. Nyame adwuma no so de. There be Paul said, "Dey na betete ani Kristo do yin." Ohia na, amane ana, otaya na. Bibie ni ho betete ni Kristo do yin. Menye hwe. Ini obi atem. Everybody who knows me, Nkrofo didi matem mo say, I keep women in their marriages, so even when they are dying. Me mo me pese o mo beja. That is what people assault me for. And I'm sure say, oh baby or why be on permas in there. Can attest to that. Nkrofo didi matem mo say, me mo kora me man nkrofo enya aware adentina obi bra de bia me say don't leave your marriage. So I don't see the reason why make actually be so binya. But the truth is say he was misinformed. But in some baby woman, maybe mankom. But say because perhaps the girl listens to me. I didn't even know how the girl went back to me. Mama, it's about you, baby. Now, moody dink of what them want to my boys. You drew baby now, send me so one tears here. You move baby wanna be because of baby and your media sharing. It is difficult for us to say some things, but baby I make come and to will be anymore. But your choice, they will be decide this obey. Your choice, you may decide this. I will never stoop so low to come to anybody's level to insult me. No, but the truth must be told. To say me, encourage. And then Vanessa, I'm quoting her on record. On record. What you share na mumusan? One one kasa say, Father Dixon say, man ma out. Now one me claim me din. Enutina, why you din? Into one mokura wunya anko bekasa. I have her voice near din. But me, I am not that type now. Me den tina ya na ono ana yi kra na me because I just wanted her to explain for you to hear. Said they be me. Me nko kashi. But Ubi Shechiri said the girl shouldn't talk. Said they be a minimum. I will look like a bad person. The bonny I said I went in to help somebody else. Bidding Yame Pamucho. Bidding Yame Pamucho. It's your phone time. Meet my union. It's your phone time. Meet my own sister. It's your phone time. Meet my own sofa. Meet your phone time. Meet my diff. In your body. Again, me need that. And I am Busan, I mean, confrontation. Meaning your confrontation. Or no, and last again, Dano again about me fear. One mum, what did he my temps are then? Again, a ban imagine, and I'm saying, I just an idea. Again, a big giant one. That's also my funny be more, Pate. And on one side, video. Me go to be out on one Casamusa on one. Oh, ye video, oh, soon. They permit ma, a patcho. Meaning the Intia Manutia. Mumusana Sapiboa. One one Casasa ye video. A palmichel is soon ye. Sell palmichel. Send a nutia. Infantiam. Diana and your mahana. What can we miss it? Anna, me nipa. I am a nobody. Me nipa to say, I know, say, Asimbi Hawa. You have the right to go about it by a form. And I'm on one casa by Obedru Hana 12 close to 12 midnight. Minimi Kuni Vanessa and United. You can't summon. And Naqualan again, no class on Konami Park again, nature some sereno. It's an area class and a journal, Quanini again, echo, and I get myself, man, Pacho. A money susa, a bonny be goon so. It's about your mamma, my own, my watching now. That girl need be drew Hano. Me danuna na me friend na ya me friend to one fa me sending a voice message mubusa na so se me boa nyame a wo so court one tena me ne ntem se mubusa because girl no di onim no kore but girl no say Father Dixon se man nkasa enti on person be kasa enti me na ni kun no e didi matem because ni kun no fele se e bia na me na man I was very much surprised. Say me, na me dey na mayo. Asem we say wo buy boy, me mum kra na me frɛ wo na wo buy. Na jame no kan na de achi wo be fa wo yere na de ne ko. Boni be na me get no kra ka say me mesa. Ni fi okra me see order. Videos I na ya funny face. Posting what? Let me tell you something on record. Videos na ya funny face. Posting what ne page. Some videos no girl ne ba ha no na ya o de send me say entokwa esi won ntem ntia ama ebufuo ni ba ene eno no videos ne wa de ba no tag me din say ye me na me call say ye videos na ya funny face de ba na wa tag me ma me ye boa say ye me na me call say ye sa video me na ya on record on fi me ko order sa videos da girl no dwan beto am wo me fi ha no ya nwumre na me na ya we kasa no na ya send me sa videos ni nyina mumu sa no so me boa o send me sa videos here ne wa send ni nyina time a girl no yeah we no sa time na wa ya dreadlocks girl no ba me ha no we try the dreadlocks and no no tell say Jimmy David and some be high but I na because of nyaminti in person be church in some near any pain I just said the answer open so home but when I just want to tell you to see say one kasa mu we are meaning pass am you are very good judges we are mon judge baby ame me call me yeah wrong girl no buy no na videos na ne what you go social media trending na nyina na say it was I me na me or say me na me motivate so me na me influence yen sa videos no time a girl ne ba me ha no na ya ona nkasa eye funny face he sent me all those videos it busa ne say e ba ne say no de send me wo bra na girl ne wa na afi na girl ne call ye wie na me hu time me call mastermind dey na afi de me ma girl the woman say girl no free no mo I didn't have any hand. And I mean, him said, hey, again, could D. Kumasi, and as we jab, man. The one year, me, yeah, and I said, I'm a friend. I just say,
yeah, you know what to do. Yo, Ella and Bella, listen to this, girls. Listen, let me tell you. I never give up on you. I will never give up on you, no matter what. I will. Before you were born, girls, I started hyping you, made you popular before you were born. When you were pregnant in your mother's womb, I was giving her money every week. Every week. Yet what did I get in return? What did I get in return? She planned my downfall with people. With some woman who calls herself a pastor. Me don't know me. Huh? If God don't stop me or take me. Just say, huh? Videos I made talking them and I said Ghanaians will ask, wow, this guy was going through this and still entertaining people. But when I'm here, all I did is to take off my daughters and make the world know I love them too much. So because of that, you will use it against me. You are using my own children against me, sabotaging me here and there. Guess what, girl? Did you forget there are videos, audios, voice notes, thing? You know, after all this, you took the girls away. I'm still taking care of you. I'm still the one sending you money. Yet you still disgrace me and continue telling. Just say, "Ugu many masses Aden, Vanessa Aden." And now mommy boy said, whoa, Majigo Bruta. You're ready. When you're ready. Ellen Bella, you grow up and see this video. I don't know what tomorrow brings, but I grow up and see this video and know me, your father never gave up on you. I fought till my last breath. Cut it.
I'm a dear partner, how am I? Dear Hammy. I did Miss Last man. What's your Kaema, me ya Jimmy Fontaine. Kaema, we say I'm a dear. Mabisano, ya woman, yes, because what ya waiting. Me ya kwasi. Abuo binti. Akola we ko ni for waiting. Me ma kwa koda me yin to yo ka am grateful. Kwasi ampanyi. Me ma kwa ko yo. Ima ampa no ko wa ina aso. We ambulance. Jai na me ka jai. We ambulance. Ya cut it.
Na min video ma wo. Min video ma.
Subscribe to Humble One TV and click on the bell.